Okay, good morning, welcome back. Today's topic, we're going to set up a sales campaign objective plus messaging. Inside your Facebook page, click menu and click Ads Manager. Once you're inside the Ads Manager, click Create. And then choose campaign objective for sales. Continue. Close. Now edit your campaign name. Car. Car brand 2026 sales campaign plus messaging. Now once you're done with the campaign name, choose campaign objective or the CBO. Set up your daily budget. For startup campaign, we'll start at 500 pesos. Scroll down, skip A/B test, scroll down, then click next. Inside your ad set name, edit, for your conversion location, choose message destination. Choose your Facebook page. Scroll down. Choose maximize number of conversations for a performance goal. Scroll down. Edit your schedule. We start always on the following day, 12 a.m. Set up and end date. We will run our campaign ads for 7 days. Then end 11 p.m. For your audience, we will edit our location, our target location. One campaign, one city as our code, as our rule. Check your minimum age. Choose 25. If you want to expand your target, you can edit the custom audience. Choose 28, 45 if you prefer. Target people who are under 45. All genders, skip. We are going to skip detailed targeting because we're going to use CBO. And our audience definition will be broad. The more broader, the more efficient our ads. Okay. And then ads transparency, skip. Placement, skip. Review. Ad set name, Facebook page, conversion location, message destination. Performance goal, maximize number of conversations. Budget and schedule. Schedule is March 5. We start on the following day. Start always 12 a.m. End date. We run our 7 days campaign for our startup audience. will be skip. Locations, Quezon City, one campaign, one city. Minimum age is 25. To expand your target age, 28 to 45. Gender, all genders, detailed targeting, we skip that. We're going to use the meta algorithm for broad targeting. Ads transparency, skip. Placement, skip. So we're done. Our audience definition is broad. Okay. So we are done here for the ad set, then we skip. We click next. Inside your ad copy, edit. Sales campaign plus messaging. Okay. Partnership of identity. Your Facebook page is your Facebook page. Choose your Facebook page. Create ad, manual upload. We choose single image. Okay. Set up our creative. From here we choose image. Choose our creatives. Okay, choose original, all original, click all original. But this one will replace this. I choose aspect ratio of 1080 by 1920 to fit inside the box. Replace. We choose the aspect ratio for 1200 by 628. Okay, you can edit your creatives inside Canva. If we are good here, so click next. Now primary text, edit this. Okay, let's wait. Now we choose the variations of personas generated by AI. Okay, so we have a target persona for credit challenge drivers and urgent car buyers, and more to consider. For headline, we edit this. Huge discount. Wait. Okay. Okay, we have also text variations created by Meta AI. Then your description. A car, fast. Fast. Approval. Okay. Send message. Inside your description, you may also add your contact details, contact informations. Call to action, send message. Okay, we choose send message because we're using messaging campaign for sales, campaign objective. And we are done here, so click next. So we don't want our creatives to be altered by Meta AI, so we will skip this. Creative enhancement, again, we don't want to alter our creatives by Meta AI, so we're going to off all buttons here for your creatives. Check. Don't want the music, Rex Media, any movement for our creatives. Okay, so we're done. Click next. And we don't want our creatives our ad copy to be translated to another language. Okay, so we're done. Now, for each campaign, you need at least 5 creatives to run your ad campaign. So what we'll do here is to duplicate, choose original campaign. Just one copy at this moment. Okay. Now once we are here, check the ad name, same ad name. Scroll down, Facebook page, your Facebook page name. For ad setup, create ad, choose manual upload, single image or video, and then we edit our ad creatives. We will change our media. Okay, choose another creatives for our ad campaign. So click originals. This one's okay. So we need to replace this for the aspect ratio of 1080 and 1920 back, and then replace this one with the aspect ratio of 1200 by 628. Oh, hold on. Okay, sorry. Okay, so we are done here, so click next. So edit your primary text. This one I'm okay with this. Okay, with the variations, same. So I'm okay with my headline, AI text generators. Okay, description, I'm done, and I choose call to action, and my call to action is send message. Okay, and then click next. So again, we don't want our creatives to be altered by AI, Meta AI, so we're going to skip this. Click next. So we will check our enhancement. Okay, everything should be turned off. We don't like our music with our creatives, so we are done here. Click next. We don't want our creatives to be translated with other languages. Okay, we're done here. Click done, and then here we go. Okay, so let's check our advanced preview. So this is our campaign ads once we launch this. Let's wait to upload. So the action, the call to action is send message, send messenger are the same. So this will be your headline. Okay. Okay. So let's check the advantage plus creatives. All optimization should be off, add music off, text previews off. Okay, all buttons should be off. Okay, so once we are done here, let's click save. Let's review. Alright, so again, each campaign, at least you should have around 5 to 7 creatives. 5 is minimum. Okay, so you run CBO, campaign objective budget. Okay, I forgot this. You can edit your message template, but I prefer to use the Meta AI for generated questions, so it will be more easier for us. All you have to do is just must have a ready answer for these questions once your campaign ads run. Okay, so that will be all, and we are done here. So I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.